Hello, I'm sure you're wondering how and where we fit one of these conditioners. So firstly, decide where you are fitting and where. You will need 10 centimeters of straight pipe like this one before you even take the conditioner out of the box. So let's look at fitting a CC9 fuel conditioner to this gas boiler. It's the grey-black product and comes in this box complete with tie wraps to use. This is where we will fit it. Do check though that you have 10 centimeters of straight pipe as we do here, and it's the correct gas or oil feed pipe. Now take a wrap and place it around the pipe, just notching the ends together like this. Now slide the conditioner inside the loop and pull it tight around the conditioner so that it fits into one of the two grooves on the top surface like this, and pull it tight. Now loop the other tie wrap around both pipe and conditioner as before and pull tight into the groove like the first one. Now it's secure, we can cut off the long strands like this, leaving a neatly fitted conditioner on the pipe, and that's it. You can now look forward to making great savings on your gas bill. For the water, it's generally easier to find the mains because it's under the sink where your stopcock is. But in this example, it's next to the toilet. Now we simply repeat what we did with the gas one. Remove both conditioner and tie wraps and loop the first one around the pipe as before. And then sliding the conditioner into place and pull tight. Then take the second wrap and repeat as before. Once all tight, trim the lengths to get a nice finish. These products will work on 15mm and 22mm copper and poly pipe. For steel and other commercial applications, do give us a call because we do have alternative solutions in our commercial range. So there you have it, in both cases a simple solution for reducing your fuel bill and also cutting down on limescale and cutting those electric bills. So thanks for watching and enjoy the savings.